everyone, welcome back to your Fragmented Customs and Restos video. A couple of weeks ago, Team Fragmented went down to a classic mini show in Seaburn. This was our first show as Fragmented Customs and Restos, displaying all the cars that we have. It was a very good show, had a successful outcome, and lots of people enjoyed looking at all the cars. And I've just inserted some clips here of the show and I hope you enjoy it. And after that, Oscar had the big reveal to his owner Anna.
Gotta find my way to you, even though you're next to me. No matter what I do, your heart is drifting out of reach. Head underwater, I'm swimming harder, trying to keep this alive. Gotta find my way to you, now that our love has capsized.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Fragmented Customs and Restos. So today is the day. Oscar is finally complete. So what a journey it's been. What can I say other than Greg's done a fantastic job. He's done the majority of the work. We've been in and out helping where we can, graphics, things like that, but the majority of the work I have to say has been done by Greg, and Oscar's finally complete. So Anna's coming down today to collect them. We've had him to a show at Seaburn in Sunderland today. We've had a lot of fantastic feedback from the general public having a look, seeing what we've done. It's just amazing. Really glad it's finished, and it's going back to Anna so she can enjoy the car that she's owned for many years and been unable to drive. And I think it's safe to say we've given her back probably more than she expected. Original idea was to get it in a roadworthy condition where she can just enjoy driving it, but as you can see, it's a lot further than that now. So
No matter what I do, gotta find my way to you. Gotta find my way to you.
We're gonna go around this way.
This is your grand unveil. Red and blue, right? We don't know. See it straight away, but we didn't realise until that happened. We went out and got some industrial bombs.
Do you even need the cover on it? You could have just left it like that.
I know, just playing in the background.
Go try it off.
Right. I don't know if she'll be able to see our car.
We're getting a bit excited. Getting a bit for you.
We let the smoke die a little bit.
Yeah, like the small guy, you know, because you don't want to put an extension to the garage, Greg.
Oh, it's clearing.
Are you ready? Right night now. Drum rolls.
Complete with flowers. Oh, Greg, it's beautiful.
Lovely, isn't it? There's your baby. You're welcome. No, thank you. Thank you. We've loved every minute of it.
No idea.
How many years? Soak it in. Soak him in. He's going to give you lots of joy and lots of problems, no doubt. I know for certain.
Where have you left a few things just to catch me out?
Well, there's a few things you're going to have to watch and look out for as we go along, but we'll talk about that in a minute. Plenty of time. Found out it might squeak.
Right.
It did once today, and it did once this morning. It stopped straight away, but it'll need to be bedded
Yeah,
in and stretched,
that's how
and then just tightened up.
Supposed to.
It's brand new, so it's supposed to squeal.
Hey!